So I just came off my daily live, and one of the moms on my live asked me, but is the legacy builder not a pyramid scheme? And this is what we get most of the time, is because people don't understand what a digital product is, because they don't understand what a digital income is. So she asked me if I have ChatGPT. So I said yes, and I googled it for them while I was on my live. So I thought, why not make a little video just to explain it so that anyone can understand. So I'm going to read to you exactly what ChatGPT is telling me on my screen over here. I'm going to put some screenshots on the video so that you guys can clearly see. So here is my laptop, here's my workspace from home, and this is what I do daily. So no, the legacy builder is not a pyramid scheme. So I'm going to explain to you exactly what it is so that you can all understand. So number one, let's get into what a pyramid scheme is a three-hockey triangle. So how a pyramid scheme works, it only pays you when you recruit people. So let's get into it. A pyramid scheme, there is no real product, the money moves up the chain, and the income depends on signing up others. The legacy builder is the complete opposite. So, the legacy builder sells real products. People buy actual products. There is training, there is templates, there is resources, and there are systems that you are purchasing. You are investing in getting an automated system. So, they receive real value immediately. Selling real products, not pyramid schemes. So you get to keep 100% of your profits if you do the legacy builder program. 100% of the profit is yours. So from someone, there is no one above you, there's no one below you, there's no downline, there's nothing. So there are no uplines, there are no downlines, there are no structures, and there is no food chain. You earn 100% profit. Pyramid schemes are based on recruiting people. Guys, the legacy builder is based on product sales. You are not required to recruit anyone to earn money at all. You choose to sell the product. You choose the skills to sell the skills of any other digital platform. You create your own products. So this program teaches you how to create your own digital product, whether you want to make a recipe book, whether you want to make a Bible study, whether you want to do drumming lessons. It's up to you essentially what you want to create. Every person is unique and different. This business is going to teach you, the program is set out to teach you how to sell something digitally, how to sell something online. So if you have a music lesson, but you don't have time to see 10 people in a day, like a drummer or a guitarist, you are going to put templates together on how to learn how to play that instrument. And you can do that in Canva by making templates and then setting them up as a P&L product and then reselling them. And that is how you can make a profit. That is called a digital template, a digital product. So you will learn the marketing skills. So this is what you're going to learn in the legacy builder. It's going to give you content skills. It's going to give you sales skills. It's going to give you branding skills. It's going to give you digital marketing skills. And it's going to give you a passive income strategy. So if you want to know more about the legacy builder and how to have an online income and how to invest in having your own online business for earning $1 income, then drop ready in the comments and I'm going to get the info for you. I hope that this little explanation explained everything to you. I've also put some screenshots on the screen so you can go through it and see exactly what it's about. Remember, this business is not for everyone, but if you're looking to make a better income and making extra income on the side, then drop ready in the comments and I'm going to share with you exactly what it is I do.